Hi, my name is Sean Pack. I will be your instructor for this course, Math 161. Let me uh, introduce what we're gonna do in this course. First of all, you need to log into your Moodle so that once you log into Moodle, you can find this course. So from this course, the default page will be the introduction page. So once you click this introduction menu or category, then you will see this part. Okay, this quick video will be stored in this link so that you should be able to, probably you click this video, right? So first of all, watch this video all the way. And then I will explain the second part, which is the lockdown browser feature check. I will post this one, scroll it all the way down. I didn't put it here, but there's a little bit problem with this one. So I will post lockdown browser feature check part in this area at the bottom of it. So you must complete this one. You must complete this lockdown browser feature check so that whenever you take a test, you will not be able to browse internet and any others, nothing. So what you have to do is you have to complete this lockdown browser feature check, okay, so that you can take only the test. All right, this is extra point 5. Okay, next one is, okay, complete the acknowledgement of syllabus and release form, which is at the bottom of this page. So click this and then complete the questionnaire for this one. Number 3, that's number 3. And number 4, okay, you can download the course syllabus, the lecture PowerPoint, and the solutions to the homework. So you can either click this site. This is my personal website. So if you click this, then okay, click this one. Okay, it should be a Math 161. So as you see this, here's the syllabus. So let me click this syllabus. Okay, or from here you can scroll down this introduction page, then you will see the syllabus over here too. So you can click this, or you can go to my website and then you can click the syllabus. Okay. Also, okay, in this resource part, you can see the lecture videos from chapter 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and notes as well. So for example, if you click video, then it will show the video in YouTube, chapter 1.1. Okay, and then if you click this, then these are the notes, when I notes, while I'm doing the recording. So these notes are exactly the same as in this recordings. Okay, so chapter 1.1 to 3 are ready, and then others will be ready as well. And there are some chapters 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, and the test sample. So whenever we have a test, you can submit a test sample homework. So as you see this, click this one. This is the homework for the each chapter test. This was an actual test, previous test. So you can try solving these questions. Even there are answers here. So what you have to do is solve it and then show your work. You must show your work and the answer. So even though there are answers, there's no work here, right? So you have to show the work to the answer. And then also, even I uploaded the work, the solutions. So if you have a question like you cannot solve it, you don't understand how to solve the questions, then refer to the solution. Okay, this takes a little bit more. This takes some time. So anyway, if you see this file, so number 1, this is the question, and then these are the work, and this is the answer. So you must show all the work and the answer so that you can submit it and then you get the full credit. So writing only the answer will get 0 points. Always show your work. All right, and then homework. Okay, so homework is, okay, this is the homework. Even I posted the homework solutions. Okay, the homework problem numbers are here, 159 and so on. And you can see, how the work is, and then the answers. All right. Okay, so let me explain the syllabus. Where's the syllabus? So Math 161, college algebra. The textbook, the cover page of the textbook looks like this. And then that is 8th edition from the Cengage, publisher Cengage. 8th edition, this is the ISBN number. So you may use 6th or 7th. If you have a 6th edition, you are welcome to use it because the content of the textbook is exactly the same. Almost more than 90% are same. So you can use this 6th and 7th edition, but the homework is a little bit different. The order of the homework, the problem numbers are a little bit different. So I posted two types of homework. So okay, if you have an 8th edition textbook, then you can do the homework problem numbers as shown here. Then if you have a 7th edition, 6th edition, you can do the problem numbers listed in this table. Well, if you have 7th edition, I don't have 7th edition. So if you do have 7th, then probably you can follow either 6th edition or 8th edition problem numbers. Okay. But the work I posted in the website will be only chapter 8th edition, and some part of 7th edition or 6th edition will be posted, but not 7th edition. All right. Okay, and then our grading system. The grading this is a 1,000 points, so total point is 1,000, and we will have a bell quizzes, online quizzes, homework, test, and the final exam. The final exam will be held during the final exam week. It is 250 points, which is 25% of the total grade. And tests, there will be 6 tests, and 70%, 70 points per test. So this is I think it's 70 point each. Okay, 70 points per test. So there are 6 chapters. So after each chapter, we're going to have a test. So there are 6 tests. So it will be 420 points. And backwards, backwards are, there are 33 sections in this for these 6 chapters, and there will be 2 points per section. So backwards will be 66 points. So once we finish each chapter, there will be a back quiz. So there will be 6 back quizzes. And then online quizzes. Okay, online quiz, there are 33 sections, and then there are online quiz for each section, not each chapter. Each section, and each online quiz for each section is 5 points. Okay, and the homework. So after completing each chapter, you need to submit the homework for that chapter, and 3 points per section. Okay, so can you see it? So these are the categories of the grading system. So altogether it's 1,000 points, and that's 100 points, 100%. Okay, then how do you submit your homework? And then back ways. Okay, you can do this way. Okay, go to the model. And here's online quizzes. So click online quizzes, scroll down. So for each chapter, for each section, you have to complete a quiz for each section. So section 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and so on. And this one shows the due date, but actually, if you don't see this due date, you can find it from the introduction page. Introduction page, right? And scroll it down. So can you see this table? This table shows the homework, the due dates. So each week, week 1, 2, 3, and all the way down, for each week, this is just a chapter that you need to study. So for the first week, you need to complete chapter 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3 during this first week. And the homework is due on Saturday. So all the homework related to this will be on Saturday. So on Saturday, you need to complete the online quizzes for section 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. Also complete this acknowledgement of syllabus form and the lockdown browser check. And the second week, since second week will be covering 1.4, 1.5, and 1.6, you need to complete 1.4, 5, 6 online quizzes. And then chapter 1 is completed. So you have to submit your homework for chapter 1 and web quizzes for chapter 1. And since we completed chapter 1, there is a test. The test will be on Sunday. Here, Sunday. So Saturday, you can submit your test samples for chapter 1. This is an extra credit, so I strongly recommend to submit don't miss any extra credit homework. Okay, because sometimes you will fail because of you need little bit more points. But many people who fails does not don't do these extra points. Always don't miss the extra points in case you fail the course. Okay. All right. So once we complete chapter 1, then the following week, Sunday, then there is a test. So you can take the test on Sunday. All right, so that's online quizzes. So complete all the online quizzes by the due date. So you can, you don't have to wait until Sunday, until Saturday. If you are ready, if you complete section 1.1 on Monday, then you can take the online quiz on the same day. Doesn't matter on Monday, Tuesday, anytime, but make sure keep the deadline. Okay. All right, that's the online quiz, and then get the lecture video and notes. I will keep posting the same thing, the videos and lecture videos and notes and the homework in this site or on my website. Okay. The bell quiz. Okay, bell quiz. After completing each chapter, there is a bell quiz, and they are due on Saturday, right? So there are 6 chapters. So you must complete this bell quiz after completing each chapter. And the due date is indicated in the table. So there will be bell quizzes have a different number of problem. There are different number of problem numbers. So make sure to complete all of them. Okay, and for the bell quiz, if you miss the due date, then you cannot get any credits. So make sure to complete these bell quizzes on time, even online quizzes. Okay, don't miss it. If you miss the quizzes, and then you will get 0 point. There's no makeups. Okay, for the homework. Okay, homework I posted here's a table. So the homework table in the syllabus is here, but I also copied that table in here. So for the 8th edition, if you have the 8th edition textbook, then you can do the homework listed in this table. If you have a 6th edition, then you can do the homework in this table. And then scroll all the way down. So once we finish each chapter, you must upload your homework here. Okay, then how do you upload the homework? All right, so once you complete writing your homework, doing your homework, what you have to do is take a picture. So I strongly recommend using application, apps from your smartphone. So Office Lens is a good one. So use a Microsoft Office Lens, or you can use V Flat. It's a V Flat, yes. Or you can use Cam Scanner. Cam Scanner, I don't recommend Cam Scanner. This is a good scanner, but I heard that this is, they are hacking, your information. So I don't know. I'm not sure about this one. So you may use either one of these two. So using these two apps, take a picture of your work and then save it in PDF. Okay, so that you can upload it, and then your file size will be smaller than just taking a picture. So make sure to save your work in PDF format. Okay, PDF. All right, and then usually what you do is do every other odd number. Every odd number means if you're starting number 1, then adds 4 to the previous number. So 1 plus 4 is 5, and plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. So all the way up to this number. Okay, for section 1.2, what you do is start from number 3 and add 4 to 3. That is what? 3 plus 4 is 7. And the next number is 7 plus 4 is 11, and 11 plus 4 is 15, and so on until you reach number 63. So these are the total number of problems you need to do for each section. Okay, so make sure once you complete section 1, 2, 3, keep it all the way up to the last section of each chapter. And then take a picture of all your work for this chapter, then save it in PDF, then upload it in the appropriate menu here. Okay, that's the homework. And tests. Okay, there will be a 1-hour test on Sunday. Our post test 1, 2, and so on over here. So you have only one attempt. Okay, you have one attempt, and then 70 points for each chapter. You have 1 hour to complete. You can start anytime on Sunday, but make sure the time limit is 1 hour. And it will close at midnight, so make sure you have enough time to complete the test. Okay, 1 hour period. So that's how you can take the test. Even the final exam will be at the bottom. So same thing. Final exam is 2 hours with 1 attempt. Okay, and the final exam will be up. The test that will be provided later, will be announced later. Okay, so that's all, right? That's all about it. And also, I would like to mention another one. Okay, I think I didn't put it here. Okay, let's go to the homework part. Scroll all the way down. Okay, here. Okay, I will post the review examples for the final exam. Okay, I didn't prepare this one yet, but once you see this, then you can start right away. I mean, download the file. I will post the review sample files. So open the file and then try to solve each question all the way, and then keep it until the last moment. And then once you are ready to submit it, click this, and then you will mark the answers. So make sure to complete this work, before submitting, and then so once you complete it, once you are ready to mark the answer, then click this and then mark all your answers. Then you are done. So this is a 50 extra points. So no late submission is allowed. Okay, I will post this one later. So not now. This is not working. I will also let you know once this one is ready. Okay, so this is 50 extra points. Don't miss this one. This is a lot of points. And then make sure to complete all this work. But there will be only one chance to mark your answer. One chance to mark your answer. So before you mark your answer, make sure your answer is all correct and no problem. All right. So that's it about 161. So always, always check what you have to do in each week. Okay, the lecture, the sections to be completed, and then Saturday's work, all the work due on Saturday. So always keep this one, and then make sure to complete all the works by the due date, and then make sure to not to miss the test. Okay, I will keep sending an email about our work every week. All right. Then I hope you study, organize your time so that you can study for this chapter 6 and then pass this course. Okay. And whenever you have a question, please email me. Okay, email me. My email address is in the syllabus here. It is my email address. And then if you have any questions, you can call me or you can email me or we can arrange a Zoom if you want. This is office hour, but out of this office hour, you may also call me or it doesn't matter. So whenever you have questions, you can call me or email me. Okay. Hope you do well in this course.